good morning or good afternoon. Today we have the esteemed professor, who's also known as a radical thinker, to talk to you about organizational charts.
This is an org chart. Live it, know it, breathe it. Do not deviate from it. Notice the symmetry, how beautiful everything arraigns in a proper, precise, and linear way. It is the only way that a school can exist. See how the org chart stretches up like a silo. Think about silos. Stay in your silo. Do not go to other silos. The org chart doesn't like silos. Stay. Near way.
Oh, hell no.
Hello, my name is Mark LAUSCH, and I'm the former Dean of the School of Health Education. In my new role, I'm the Associate Vice President and Chief Strategy Officer for the college. In that role, I am charged with developing and growing the Center for Health and Wellbeing at the college here, which is responsible for providing health opportunities for students and employees alike. Also in that role, I help to nurture and grow our relationship with the GHC clinic here at Madison College. I also am the Accreditation Liaison Officer for the college. In that role, I work as the contact person with the Higher Learning Commission to help us work through our open pathways process, which you're going to know more about in the coming months, as we ask for faculty and staff to provide documents to help us prove to the HLC we're doing all the good things we can for our students and for our student success. I'm also going to be working closely with Tim Casper and others on furthering our focus on focus opportunities here at the college, moving that initiative forward and moving it into what I call Focus on Focus 2.0. It's going to be very exciting, so look forward to some more news on that. Otherwise, I hope we can have, in summary, a healthier campus, healthier students, healthier employees, and my role is going to help to do that. Hope you have a great semester.
Greetings, my name is Lisa Marie Greenwood. I previously was the Associate Degree Nursing Program Director, and I'm now happy to serve Madison College in my new role as one of the Associate Deans of the Nursing Program. I look forward to working with everyone. Let's have a great semester.
My name is Erin Cole. I'm the Dean of the School of Business and Applied Arts. I learned while I was an interim dean that there's definitely an art to being dean. And now, since I've been hired, I'm applying it and ready to get down to business.
Hi, I'm Kendrick Zucker. I'm formerly the Associate Dean of the School of Arts and Sciences, and I'm now the Interim Dean of the School of Health Education. I'm excited about this upcoming year and working with new faculty, new staff. I'm just truly, truly excited about this opportunity.
I am Ernice Williams, formerly Ernice Williams. Now I am Dr. Ernice Watson. I was married over the summer since I've started here. I am in the School of Health Education as the Associate Dean of Nursing for the ADN program, one of two new Associate Deans for Nursing. I'm excited to be here. I came from Edgewood College, where I was a tenure track faculty staff member in nursing and program director for the Center for Multicultural Education. I'm excited to work with this new leadership team in the School of Health Ed and across campus. I have been welcomed like I've never been welcomed before anywhere in any job. So I am excited to give back to the students the same energy and to the faculty the same type of welcome back. So welcome back to everybody.
Hi, I'm MARSHA TWEEDY. I came from the School of Health Education to the School of Business and Applied Arts as the Interim Associate Dean last year. And now I am the Associate Dean in the School of Business and Applied Arts. And I'm really excited to continue working with students, faculty, and staff.
Hi, I'm Jeff Bradshaw, the Director of International Education, and we've got a world of possibilities at the college. I'm really excited to be now in part of Learner Success, and this year in particular, we have grants available for faculty to infuse global competency into their classrooms. So I'm really excited to talk to people, and no matter what program you're in, you need to work with suppliers, customers, and coworkers to have global competency, and our office can help to do that. So please contact us at the Center for International Education.
Hi, I'm Denise REIMER. I am the Executive Dean for the School of Applied Science, Engineering, and Technology, as well as the School of Health Education. So how this all came about was I got a voicemail message from Turina Bakken, our provost, that said, Denise, I want you to go to health. And so I did.
Randy Way, Interim Dean, putting the ass in ASET.
Hi, I'm SHAWNA Carter. I was the Dean for the School of Human and Protective Services and the Director for Academic Strategy and Analysis. And now I am the Associate Vice President for Strategic Academic Initiatives, and I'm going to maintain my role as the Dean for School of Human and Protective Services.
Buenos dias, my name is Ramon Ortiz. I'm an Associate Dean in the School of Arts and Sciences, working primarily with the social sciences. I've been with the college for about a year. In that time, I've made a lot of great friendships, developed good relationships, and I look forward to working with all of you well into the future.
Ciao, sono Mary Molinaro Spada, aka Kathy Spada. I am on double secret probation in the School of Applied Science, Engineering, and Technology with Dean REIMER, Dean REIMER. And I'm moving from a role as operating manager over at Commercial Avenue into a position as Interim Associate Dean for ASET. So looking forward to a great year, everybody. Ciao.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ann Camillo, formerly with the Provost Office, and now I'm helping to build, strengthen, and lead the shared governance system. Thumbs up.
Hi, I'm Jen ZARRINNAM, Executive Assistant to the Provost. I'm looking forward to this new adventure in keeping tea organized. By the way, have you seen her handwriting? That part might be very difficult.
Hi, I'm Sarah FRITZ, formerly the Dean of CEDL, now Dean of Faculty. I work with the New Faculty Institute, probation, sabbaticals, faculty learning communities, and lots of other great professional development. Glad to be in the new role, excited to get started. Have a great semester.
Hi, my name is Susan Weber. Welcome back, everyone, to the fall semester. I work in the Provost's office, and I've recently taken on some enhanced responsibilities. I am now the Learner Success Operations Coordinator, and my job is basically to be the magician of Make It Happen.